is late. I'm cooking some spaghetti and pretty mashed potato though. So we have a potato. Garlic powder. And this. And I will put some magic syrup there. Some magic syrup. It's watering right now, but it's okay.
Six,
Oh, my arms.
7, 8, 9, 10. Ayun na. Yes, now.
I use pork because I already put it out. But up to you, you can put chicken. If you have allergy, you can put whatever you want. You can choose what kind of meat you wanna use for spaghetti. So we have this one already. I boiled already. So only sauce. We use the sauce this time. And I'm gonna use the banana ketchup. I hope I have still in the fridge. And next time I'm gonna use maybe hopefully tomorrow. I'm gonna cook next time or maybe later a lumpia, pork lumpia.